Hello, we are Team Buck Engine from South Korea. My name is Sophia. First, let me explain our team name. Sometimes bugs can be bad, like a computer bug, but sometimes they can be good. For example, if there is a problem with an engine, a bug may be able to unjam the gears of the engine and stop an accident, making a miracle. Here are the other team members.
Hi, I am Brian. Hello, I am Jiyu.
Hi, I am Minseo.
Hi, I am Rube. Today, we are going to introduce our Rube Goldberg machine that puts toothpaste on a toothbrush.
When we open the window, the lever pass to the window, pushes the marble and it rolls down the rail. It does have a ground with a mail, the bird, the letter, and another burst out into the domain.
The marble rolls down the dominoes. When the last domino with the strings falls, it is attached to the stopper, which moves and releases the card.
The car slows down the ramp and hits this bird domino, and the knob is over to push the toy train along the track to hit a marble.
The marble goes down the tube and comes out this hole. The marble rolls down the slope and falls into a cup attached to a pulley. The cup pulls down the spring which is up this latch. The wooden board is released and falls into the toothpaste tube. The force from the fall pushes the toothpaste to the brush.
Yes. Yes. Wow.
잠깐만.
대박. 우와. Just two take.